All right. Number 5, kombucha.
Yes.
Why should parents drink kombucha?
Kombucha is so underrated. It's a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse and one of the most soothing vegetable-based drinks you can have in the evening.
Hmm.
Yeah, so we talk about the beta carotene that supports your memory, your cognitive repair.
And it's good for the gut.
Great for the gut. It calms the nighttime inflammation. It helps bring the brain detox during sleep. It stabilizes blood sugar, prevents 2 p.m. cortisol spikes. I mean, it's gentle on digestion, reduces the bloating, so the sleep is a little bit deeper. And when you warm kombucha, it works almost like a sleep nutrient infusion in a sense. Yeah,
Never
I
thought
know.
about that.
Yeah.
And that sets the stage for number 4, a drink parents never think to make.
What is that?
Vegetable juice. Hear us out though. Homemade vegetable juice, not from a bottle, not from the store, but from your own kitchen. A Vitamix, a good blender. Why is this so powerful, Dr. Haynes?
Because now the fresh juice has the intact, all the phytonutrients, the enzymes, all the minerals that your brain desperately needs for nighttime repair. So it's just going to flood your cells with all the antioxidants, and it's going to support all of the brain detox pathways.
So it helps restore the mitochondria and it boosts the next day energy so you feel alive.
Inflammation is going to be completely reduced. Memory is going to be completely improved. I mean, it's just far cleaner than your bottled juices that people buy thinking you're drinking something healthy. You don't have the preservatives or the sugar spikes whatsoever.
And it works best earlier in the evening or afternoon.
It's real juice.
Yeah, but there's still a missing piece. Parents need something soothing, stable, and brain calming, not stimulating.